An old camel makes a straight path in the desert. A horse's value is known during a long journey. Don't trust a sheep's advice on hunting. Rivers may change their course, but their essence remains. The hunter who brags returns with an empty quiver. A small fire can still warm a gur. Patience is the key to milking yaks. The wind reveals the tree's strength, not its leaves. A wolf's cunning can outwit even the cleverest fox. A nomad's wealth is in his herds. The earth is a mother to those who care for it. A falcon's shadow cannot hide from the sun. The strength of the eagle is in its talons. When the horse is stolen, the gate is locked. A good horse is never a bad color. One arrow alone can be easily broken, but not 10 in a bundle. The joy of the journey outweighs the destination. He who digs a well is not afraid of thirst. Even the tallest mountain is overcome one step at a time. A shared cup of arag brings unity. A wise man listens to his horse's hooves. Don't measure another's grass by the length of your own. The traveler's heart is light, for his burdens are few. It's better to bend with the wind than to break against it. One cannot harness the wind, but one can steer the camel. A clear sky does not guarantee rainless weather. A goat with a bell is still a goat. The strength of the steppe is in its diversity. Wisdom is the crowning jewel of experience. A wolf's fur cannot hide its true nature. He who seeks water must follow the river's course. Silence is the fence around one's wisdom. The rope that pulls you from the well can also strangle you. A snake's hole is better left unexplored. A fool seeks the footprint of a fish. The sun and the moon meet only in stories. A narrow path is still a road. A wandering heart finds its home in the horizon. An empty saddle still carries the spirit of its rider. Thunder may shake the ground, but lightning strikes swiftly. A village thrives when it supports its neighbors. The falcon takes pride in its own flight, not the clouds. A gair's door is open to both guest and stranger. To know the river, follow its bends. A sparrow in flight is worth more than a pigeon in a cage. The hand that gives gathers blessings like a river's flow. A step without a horse is like a sky without stars. A tent is a haven even in the harshest storm. A true friend warms you like a winter coat. The universe is a gur, each star a fire within.